Yo, what's up everybody? It's Damon. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top drone business opportunities for 2024. The drone game has exploded, right? We've gone way past just cool aerial photography. Now it's a whole tech landscape, and honestly, the sky's the limit, pun intended. Whether you're thinking about starting your own drone biz or you're already in the game and looking to expand, this video is packed with ideas. We're talking about the hottest trends, the tech you need to know, and how to actually make moves in this market. So, if you're ready to take your entrepreneurial spirit to a whole new altitude, buckle up, because we're about to take off into the future of drone technology. First up, we're talking drones in agriculture. Now this isn't just about getting cool shots of fields. It's about changing how we grow food. Imagine this, drones equipped with multispectral cameras, flying over fields, collecting data on crop health, irrigation, even detecting pests and diseases, all in real time. That's next-level farming. And for the drone entrepreneur, huge opportunity. Farmers need this data, and that's where you come in. Offering services like crop monitoring, aerial spraying, even targeted fertilization. It's all on the table. This is precision agriculture, people, and it's only getting bigger. As technology advances and becomes more accessible, the demand for skilled drone pilots and data analysts in agriculture is going to skyrocket. Next, let's talk real estate, because who doesn't love a good drone shot of a property? But it's not just about pretty pictures anymore. We're talking high-definition video, 360-degree panoramas, even virtual tours, all powered by drones. For real estate agents and property developers, this is a game changer. It's about showcasing properties in a way that traditional photography just can't touch. And for drone operators, it's about offering a premium service that adds real value. Think about it. Aerial shots that highlight a property's best features, sweeping views that you just can't get from the ground, even indoor drone footage that gives potential buyers a true feel for the space. Remember when we used to think drone delivery was a futuristic fantasy? Yeah, not anymore. This is rapidly becoming a reality, and it's about to change the game for logistics and e-commerce. Think about it. Faster deliveries, lower costs, and reduced emissions. That's the promise of drone delivery. And for entrepreneurs, it's a chance to be at the forefront of a revolution. Of course, there are challenges, regulations, safety concerns, the whole drones flying over my house thing. But the potential is undeniable, and companies are investing heavily in making this a reality. All right, let's talk infrastructure. Bridges, power lines, wind turbines, these are the backbone of our world, and inspecting them is crucial, and often dangerous. That's where drones come in. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal sensors, even LiDAR technology, can inspect these structures with incredible detail, all while keeping human inspectors safely on the ground. And for drone businesses, this is a massive opportunity. Offering inspection services to construction companies, utility companies, even government agencies, the potential is huge. Plus, you're contributing to safer, more efficient infrastructure. Now let's talk about something truly impactful. Drones in emergency response. Imagine this, a natural disaster strikes and drones are the first ones on the scene, providing real-time aerial footage to assess the damage, locate survivors, even deliver medical supplies. This is the power of drones in emergency response, and it has the potential to save countless lives. And for drone pilots with the right skills and certifications, this presents a unique opportunity to make a real difference. We're talking search and rescue operations, wildfire monitoring, even disaster relief efforts. It's a demanding field, no doubt, but one with the potential for immense reward. So there you have it. 5 drone business opportunities that are primed to take off in 2024 and beyond. The drone industry is evolving at warp speed, and the potential for entrepreneurs is limitless. Whether you're drawn to the precision of agriculture, the artistry of real estate, the logistical challenge of delivery, the critical role in infrastructure, or the life-saving potential in emergency response, there's a place for you in the drone revolution. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of drones. See you in the next video.